So, hello and welcome to all of you in Veer Entertainment and the first episode of Chalo Bharat Ghume. Since childhood, I have been watching the Independence Day program on television, in which our Prime Minister hosts our national flag at the Red Fort. And as a child, whenever I saw Red Fort on television, I always wondered to go there. So when I went to Delhi last month, I could not stop myself from visiting the Red Fort. So let's start today's episode. आज मैंने लाल किला देखा है. The Red Fort is one of the most magnificent architecture of our country. It was built by Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan. He was the fifth Mughal emperor and he started its construction in 1639 CE and it took about 9 years to complete. The original name of the building was Qila-e-Mubarak, which translates to Blessed Fort, and this was name used during its construction. Red Fort is the fusion of Timurids and Persian architectural styles. Ustad Ahmad Lahori was the architect of Red Fort, who also constructed the Taj Mahal. When I visited the Red Fort, I saw its massive enclosing walls of red sandstone. As we know, it is constructed on the bank of Yamuna River. So earlier, most of its walls were surrounded by it. In front of the Skilla, the famous city of Shahjahanabad was established, which we currently known as Delhi. The fort can be entered through the Delhi Gate, Salim Gate, Jamuna Gate, and Lahori Gate. We entered from Lahori Gate and it gives way to a long Bazaar street named the Chhatta Chowk or Chhatta Bazaar. We saw and visit various shops over there. After visiting Chhatta Chowk, we saw Naubat Khana. So in its peak time, Naubat Khana is the place where musicians used to play during ceremonies and it is the entrance of Diwan-e-Am. In the Red Fort complex, we can see the Indo-Islamic and Mughal architectural styles. So let us explore some of it. After Naubat Khana, we explored Diwan-e-Am. Most of its gold work and precious stone works were plundered. It was the court on that period. There is a Singhasan made up of Sangmarmar. Then we saw Diwan-e-Khas. Sangmarmar was used in its construction. Its roof was made with silver and decorated with precious stones and jewelries. In this building, we find an inscription which is अगर फिरदौस बरो ये ज़मीनस्त हमीनस्तो हमीनस्तो हमीनस्तो. हिंदी में अनुवाद करें तो यदि पृथ्वी पर कहीं स्वर्ग है तो यही है यही है यही है. Then we visited मुमताज़ महल, खास महल, रंग महल, हीरा महल, मोती मस्जिद and hammam. The ruler of India kept his private home at Khas Mahal. Rang Mahal was popularly known as Palace of Color. It is the residence of emperors' mistresses and wives. Moti Masjid was constructed by Aurangzeb and also known as Pearl Mosque. But the monuments or buildings which we see currently is not same as the one originally built because of several plunders. Like in 1739, when Nadir Shah invaded Delhi, he took most of its artworks and jewels, including the famous Peacock Throne. After the revolt of 1857, most of the fort's marble structures were subsequently demolished by the British. The walls were largely undamaged and the fortresses were subsequently used as garrison. One thing I want to add that it is also on the list of UNESCO World Heritage Site, and you may know that the fort is depicted on the back of the recently launched rupee 500 currency note. Red Fort is always being one of the epicenter of Indian politics. और जैसे कि आप जानते हैं 1940 के दशक में नेताजी सुभाष चंद्र बोस ने चलो दिल्ली का नारा दिया और लाल किले पर तिरंगा फहराने का आह्वान किया। इसी लाल किले में आज़ाद हिंद फौज के अफसरों पर अंग्रेज़ों की ओर से मुकदमा भी चलाया गया। इसी ऐतिहासिक मुकदमे में जवाहरलाल नेहरू, भूलाभाई देसाई और कैलाश नाथ काटजू बचाव पक्ष के वकील थे। उस वक्त यह नारा देश भर में गूंजा था, लाल किले से आई आवाज़, सहगल ढिलो सहनवाज। और अंत में दूरदर्शन की एक प्रस्तुति को अपने अंदाज में कहना चाहूँगा। लाल किला मुगल सल्तनत का वैभव, शानो शौकत और गौरव का गवाह है। तो इसमें मुगलिया सल्तनत के पतन को भी देखा है, जालिमों के जुल्म और लुटेरों के लूट को भी देखा है, अंग्रेजों के खिलाफ एक बादशाह के नेतृत्व में क्रांतिकारियों को लड़ते देखा है, आज़ाद हिंद फौज के मुकदमे को सुना है, स्वाधीनता के लिए देश की आवाज़ों को सुना है और 15 अगस्त 1947 को आज़ाद हिंद के सपने को साकार होकर 16 अगस्त को अपने प्राचीर पर तिरंगे को फहराते देखा है। आज मैंने लाल किला देखा।